To add a Calendly link to a Teachable course, start by logging into your Teachable account and navigating to the course where you want to add the link. Click on the course title and then select the Lectures tab. This is where you will add the Calendly link. Next, click on the New Lecture button and choose the text option from the drop-down menu. Give your lecture a title, such as Schedule a Call, and then click on the Add Text button. In the text editor, type in the text you want to display next to the Calendly link. For example, click here to schedule a call with me. Now, to add the Calendly link, highlight the text you just typed and click on the link button in the text editor toolbar. Enter your Calendly link in the URL field and click Insert Link. Your Calendly link is now added to the lecture. To make the link more prominent, you can add a button to the lecture. To do this, click on the Add Media button and select HTML code from the drop-down menu. In the HTML code box, paste the Calendly button code, which you can find in your Calendly account settings. Finally, click Save and the Calendly link is now live in your Teachable course. You can test the link by clicking on it and making sure it takes you to your Calendly scheduling page. By following these steps, you can easily add a Calendly link to your Teachable course and make it easy for students to schedule calls with you.